Hi, today we're going to take a quick look at sample space diagrams. All these are is a basic tool used to work out probabilities. So let's dive in. So with all sample space diagrams, you basically have two options. You basically have option 1 going on the top and option 2 going down the side. So for the most basic common example, you have rolling 2 dice and adding together a result. So from dice 1 we can get 1 to 6, from dice 2 we can also get 1 to 6, and then we add up every single pair of numbers in here, which is the main part of the sample space diagram. So once you've done that, once you've got the sample space diagram, you can now use it to work out probabilities. Quick bit of notation: if you ever see P, that just stands for probability. So this question is saying what's the probability of getting an even or a multiple of 3. So let's work it out. First things first, let's highlight all the even numbers. So again, these are all the numbers where when I added together my 2 dice, I got an even answer. We'll then do the same multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9 and 12. And we can now work out how many ways we can get an even number or multiple of 3. So counting those, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 16, 20, 24. So there are 24 ways to get an even multiple of 3. We want to know what it's out of. So the possible number of options is going to be the number of numbers in this grid here. And because it's a 6 by 6 grid, it's going to be 24 out of 36. And that there is a probability of getting an even or multiple of 3. Again, you can simplify this down, but you don't have to. Okay? I would simplify this down to 2/3 if you do want to do it. Okay, next question. Work out probability of getting less than 5 and an even number. So I'm going to highlight those numbers which are less than 5 and even. Haven't got many this time. These are the only numbers that are less than 5 and even. So I've got 4 numbers there and a total of 36. Again, if you want to, that simplifies down to 1/9. Okay, next question. Same idea. Pretty much exact same question, but this time it's less than 5 or even. So we're going to highlight all numbers that are less than 5 or even. Which again gives me a lot of numbers to do. So we've got 6 here, 10 here, so 16, and another 4 here, so that's 20 altogether. So that would be 20 out of 36. Okay. So these questions, once you've got your sample space diagram, from then on, all the probability is really easy. You're literally just counting numbers. Only thing I would advise on is make sure you're fairly careful reading the questions when it says or and when it says and, because as you can see, that makes a huge difference in what kind of answer you get. Okay, some questions to try if you want to. Feel free to pause it, give them a go. They're also in the link in the description. For question 1, to get you started, your sample space diagram should look something like that. We'll turn how you're working out the answers to 1A and 1B. Question 2, a lot more similar to the example I went through earlier. Okay, I hope that helped, and thanks for listening.